In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about tasks versus subtasks in Asana. If you've ever wondered about the distinction between these two elements, you're in the right place. We'll walk through exactly what each one is, how you create them, and how they function within your projects to ensure your workflow is both efficient and organized. Let's start with tasks. Think of a task as one of the primary elements of your project. In Asana, tasks represent the major milestones or objectives you want to accomplish within a particular project. The nice thing about tasks is that they help you outline the bigger picture of your project, breaking it down into manageable segments so the overall project doesn't feel overwhelming. Creating a task is simple. Once you're in your Asana project, you'll notice an Add Task button sitting conveniently at the top left of your project table list. Just give that a click, and you've got yourself a new task ready to be filled with all the details pertinent to your project objective. Now, let's discuss subtasks. If tasks are the main highways of your project, consider subtasks the side streets that lead to your final destination. Subtasks provide a way to break down your tasks into smaller, more specific units. They act as essential children tasks of the main task, allowing you to pinpoint and manage the finer details that might otherwise clutter your task list. To create a subtask, click on the task you want to further break down. This will open up more details about that task. As you scroll down, you'll find a section labeled Subtasks. Click on Add Subtask, and just like that, you're ready to start detailing even the smallest steps necessary for your project. Let's delve a little deeper into the differences between tasks and subtasks. Tasks, as mentioned earlier, represent the main objectives. They are strategic parts of your project blueprint, capturing your main goals. Subtasks are your tactical actions. They're smaller, more focused tasks that contribute to completing the main task. For example, if your main task is to organize a marketing event, your subtasks might include booking a venue, sending invitations, and ordering promotional materials. Each subtask provides a clear action towards completing the main task. Understanding this hierarchy is crucial for maintaining a well-structured project and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Tasks and subtasks, when used appropriately, can significantly streamline your project management process. And that's all there is to it. With a good grasp of tasks and subtasks, you're well on your way to mastering Asana's project management capability, adding clarity and organization to how you work. Remember, breaking things down into smaller parts can be your key to not just managing, but truly excelling in your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.